Alright, let's play more Insurgency. This is the Last Light map, which is new, but they're all kind of new to me because I don't know this game very well, though I am becoming acquainted with it fast. Acquainted? Acquaintance, not acquaintance. I've been playing it a lot. I go through like cycles with games. I think a lot of people do, but you don't realize it. Like, oh, I'm not really interested in this game anymore, and then a couple months later you are. That's how I am with all my games. But I'm all right with it. Like, I was really into Starbound, and now that interest is kind of fading, and now I appear to be really into Insurgency. Roger that, indeed. You got it. Because it's a really fun game. I don't know if it's interesting gameplay for commentary. Like, I don't think I'm going to be able to talk through all of this. This is a disaster. There's so many guys in this like one little building, this flat. Blow the window out. But this is Last Light. And it's actually, oh god. I was gonna say, I kind of dig it. I like the different, we're like in a city. I should not be outside. This was kind of dumb. I'm going back in. Whoa. Alright, we'll chat between fights. I can't even really... I don't know where they're coming from. Should I cover this guy's back? Oh, he just got hit. What are we doing? Oh, geez, I'm out of ammo. Oh, I hear tons of... I hear everything out of my left side. There's a ton of action happening there. I kind of hope we lose this because I don't love this defending area. Look at this. Oh! Wow. I don't know if we've lost anybody. Oops. Oh no. Get down, asshole. Okay. All right, what do we do? For 2 points, I like to put new optics on there. Get a little armor. There we go. Now we're ready to go. Is there an upstairs to this place? Wow, it's just this little tiny house, huh? Okay. Well. Yeah, I don't know if Insurgency is going to make for the best footage, but we'll just chat a little bit through here. What was I talking about? I'm trying to get back in the swing of just like making videos on this channel. And I feel like if I'm into Insurgency, why not make some footage of Insurgency? That last video did pretty well, honestly. Like, you guys seem to like it. So, if you ever have any questions, like want to ask me something, you want to use YouTube for that, just like leave a comment, even if it has nothing to do with the video. And I will do my best to answer it. Ah! I guess there needs to be 2 people here. Wow, that guy lived through all that? Oh, come on! Oh, jeez, I shot him up. Wow, we managed to... Oh, wow, it's that guy. We managed to fight him off. That was crazy. So, the last... We got points, though, right? We'll do ammo, and then next round I'll switch to a different gun. No, actually, let's take ammo off, because I don't think I have trouble with ammo. Yet. and we'll go pistol. I got burned the last match. The last match was some sort of survival mode. No, the last match was checkpoint. I played a mode last night that was like survival. We had to go from place to place and get like random guns on the way. It was really fun. But most of the time we play this like defend thing, and it's okay. It just goes on forever. Like, it's fun for the first 4 rounds, and then it's just like the same thing. It just goes on and on. But I mean, hey, shooting bad guys, cool looking guns. Wow. I don't think I get flanked from my right. I have nowhere to go if I run out of ammo, though. I'm on the outside. I'm looking in. I wish they'd stop with the smoke. I have a really hard time hitting those guys that strafe hard. Didn't have to reload. Look at my clips, man. I'm not counting rounds, I'm just popping off. I got really bad discipline. Oh god. Shoot, that probably just killed a bunch of guys. Yeah, I would have been dead if I was in there. Oh! Ah! That's it, I ran out of ammo. Like my clip went dry. I didn't run out of ammo. Darn it, we would have held that. That's okay. Look at that. No cuts required. Yeah, I'm still doing good. I'm not going to change anything. What? What did he say? I didn't even hear that. Okay, so this is like way smaller. It can come from up here. What's out there, actually? Hold up. Needs that. Okay, so this is just... They just flood in. This isn't too bad. And here's a door that they come in from. This is a really cool level. The textures are super high quality. Wow, it goes up a ways. But I have a feeling my interest with this is gonna run dry pretty fast, because it's, I don't know, I tend to lose interest in games where it's just kind of the same thing over and over again. That's how it was with Starbound. Like, every planet just winds up looking the same. The same problem with No Man's Sky. And I know Starbound has a lot of variety, like in flora. But there's no rivers. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, well, that was fun. I'd like to try that again sometime. So I guess that's where the replayability comes from. Like, that last position we were in was really fun. And now that I saw saw us die, I see where they're coming from. I'd like to try it again. But the only way to do it is to play it again. But what was I saying? Starbound and rivers? No Man's Sky doesn't have rivers either. They don't, like, it kind of has lakes. But it just winds up kind of being the same old. And I kind of accelerated that by making a bunch of characters, and so I was like starting at tier 1 over and over. So I don't know. My interest will come back. I didn't even make a video on it. I should have. But that's why I'm here with with Insurgency. I don't want to die right away. Wow, it started. Those guys just came pouring. Sure, if I peek out, I don't die. I can come from right there, I bet. Or here. Probably blocking the whole thing. Was this a special wave? I don't remember. Where'd they go? All those dudes ran over here and they're behind this bus. There's garbage everywhere. Oh, I'm out of ammo! What is going on? Oh shit! Oh what? That was my own guy. Dude, I'm really... Yeah, shoot up the bus. Like, blow this thing up. There are tons of guys back there. Like, is the pathing broken? Oh, there. See, there's his foot. Let you guys deal with that. Oh my god, I leave and then he leaves? Great minds think alike. What is going on? That's a fuel truck. That's fun. No, here you go. I'll stand on the park bench. Whoa. I mean, we have 10 seconds. Yeah, the pathing must just be bad on this one. Okay. Oh, we have...
There's a drink machine over here.
I really like this gun. M16A4. It's a beast.
Yeah, good to go. Good to go.
Okay. Didn't they come pouring from up here last time? I think it said that. I think they came pouring down as soon as it started. Use this bike as cover. Great cover. Can't even knock it over. It's like planted in the cement. Cheese. Had a person Overwatch match last night go on and on about cheese. Nice try, buddy. See, they're behind the bus again. Blocking? Where is he? I'm gonna go out there in a second. Yeah, are we gonna go and see what's going on? Oh no, it's our guy. Damn, a bad shot. I missed him. Yeah, dang. This... How long have I been going for? 17 minutes, but a couple of those are probably just like deaths. Maybe I'll wrap it up around here. Because there's nothing happening.
Does anyone else notice this place seems glitched? Like the enemies never come.
I don't have voice, but... Yeah, there you go. It's like they despawned. Okay, well, oh! Why am I alive? The fuel truck just blew up. Okay, what can I ramble about? You want me to ramble about something? Let me think. Yeah, the channel... Ooh, now we got mortars coming in. Trying to make videos for it. Oh, look, they're coming. Oh, no. They're not coming. What is this? Why are we being mortared in between waves? This is so weird. Okay, it just stopped. I don't really want to change anything. A lot of times I use the FAL as my main weapon. But... I really like the M16. We're not really fighting, so Put an extended mag on there. I've got some Linux topics that I'm gonna return to. Yeah, but I have some Linux topics I want to get into. I've got a computer that I want to use for a distro delve sort of thing. But I'm just kind of waiting until I'm really, really into it before I do it. Because otherwise it'll be just kind of lame. I want to make sure the passion's there, you know? I feel like you can't make good content without passion in what you're doing. I think that comes through. Is that it? Yep, that's it. But yeah, I think that I mean, this is kind of like a general thing about YouTube and content creation in general, is you really have to have passion about what you're talking about, what you're making. Because if you don't, like, you can fake it for a while, but the apathy always comes through. And then people just kind of start to lose interest. I wonder if that's what happened to me. Because for a long time, I was just making Linux content because that's what I thought people wanted. I wasn't really interested in it. And then I just kind of stopped and started doing stuff I was into, and people like that. Right now I'm into Insurgency, so now I'm playing that. We get some action at the very beginning, and then it just kind of like falls out. I think a lot of people... What the hell? I think... What is happening here? Where is all that coming from? I can't believe this is a new map and the AI is broken here. Like, wouldn't they... Like, this is bad. This is a bad experience. Wouldn't they pull this map and then fix it and put it back? Like, that seems crazy that they would just leave a broken map out there. And it's promoted. Like, when you go to queue up, it says at the top there's a new map. You can queue up for just this map. And it's broken. I've thought about that. Like, it's just some general social commentary. How did we get to the point where it's okay just to release broken software? And then just, like, leave it. Just like, we'll get to it. No, I said I was going to stick with the M16, but I really like the file.
There's so many different kinds of breads over here.
Oh, yeah?
Or they even have croissants here.
This guy likes his bread. Oh, what? That's some good camo. Guys are getting frustrated. They're shooting each other. This foul is so... He's dead. But this foul is so good. I love this gun. Is that it? Look at this guy. Who is that? He's got a pistol.
Hey, I'm loading up. Nah, man, no. No. Down on the ground. Do it.
Me and that guy. Using the same voice lines, same guns, leaving at the same time. No, he had a pistol. Actually, I have an M9 too. Mine's not silenced though. I'm not that silly. You know what game I was thinking about playing was Void Bastards. I don't know why I always come back to the game, but that's what I'm saying. I go on cycles, and right now Void Bastards feels good. I kind of wish that it wasn't in my rotation because I don't like it that much. It's okay, but you know, there are other games in my catalog that I'd rather play. I don't know why I'm into Void Bastards so much. The bathroom is off limits, really? Oh, the toilet paper. So what do we got? We need an extended mag for the foul. Boink. Look at this thing. Monster.
Okay.
I was reading about the FAL because that's what I do. I get into stuff and then I read about it. I'm like, dude, tell me more about this gun. And I guess that it was the standard issue. Uh-oh, my mouse left the screen. There we go. It was the standard issue NATO battle rifle in the 60s. So it was after the Korean War, but before the Vietnam War. And even, apparently even the US used it. But since it was between... What is happening? What is going on? Those guys were here even before we were ready. What, we were still setting up and people started rolling in. I'm gonna go in here. They're gonna be like shooting mortars. Not a great close quarters weapon. Here we go. My hollis.
What is that? Is that an enemy? Wow, I haven't seen one of those yet.
The community in Insurgency is pretty good. It sounded like it was aiming for me. Who did that? Oh, is that... Man! We must be out. Okay, well... I think this is probably going to wrap it up. Because after this... Uh-oh. See, I'm going into the building. I've made it this far. I do not want to die. Oop. Grenades. Just waiting for guys to come around that corner. They could have made it like GTA where you can destroy things on the shelves and whatnot. But no. I saw him throw. Oh man. Now we're actually getting hit pretty hard. All things considered. Oh! Where is he? This is weird. 45 seconds. Well, at any rate, this is where I'm going to wrap this. I don't really have anything else to say. Like, every time I put my guard down, they attack, so I don't want to like start riffing on something to get interrupted. They're going to fire me. Oh no. Suggest. Like, who's doing that? Where are those bullets coming from? There's no one here. Is it just spawning? Watching IED rolls. That's it. Yeah. Boy, that was strange. But a new map? All right. I've said it 3 times now. I'm going to wrap it up here, folks. This was fun enough. Killed the most enemies with an assault rifle or battle rifle with at least 30 kills at 46. Okay. I didn't even know that was a thing, but I'll take it. Until next time, have a great day, night, whatever. I could come up with a new like sign off for this channel. All right. That's it. Bye-bye.